Back in 2023, Simbarati na tangani tiko swasi William Ruto Raila taraswa. Gaki no maandamano gatara bwatanze buyi. Abantu bakaimoka bakarama simba sana ngo chiro go betro ODM. ODM ikamorokia numubisa. Mpaka nginyolete ke bache stadium ga. Sifuna gago TV Simbarati nga na kyura agende status kulia magendero kubate chivas che county obendo kara banije gas. Aba gusingi na bata ebili magano. Nga mpake kero Simbarati aroge tingere na Ruto na babeira amu. Raila Amolo Odinga bado aka vetereri ko kolegas na Simbarati. Kero Raila atito make a decision yoko tuare handshake na William Ruto. Arangiriti Simbarati, Junet Mohamed, Nali Hassan Joho, wakagenda Dubai, wakomera Nororo. Kerewa umera no, wakaira na back to Kenya, Simbarati, tuarojinga na alenga beat tali as William Ruto, akaira na pakachako kusupport Raila Amolo Odinga na kusupport William Ruto. Yanyinga, Simbarati akaroki signs cha betroyo. Lakini bado Raila Amolo Odinga akainsisti yokolega senere. Ekike koro kinga Simbarati gintonkera abwate. Chi politician ichi nene chiganeti. Egentonkero abwate. Poniga William Ruto mbiyasiri kero mondo ko ODM. Lakini Simbaya. No moboli boniga is favorite person in broad-based Simbarati. Asabali mwaro chi Simbarati ka konda chi town yere bieka. Boda boda nye beke la kiru monto orange. Waka boda boda bonsi pi haba orange. Nega asi ya Ruto ya lenge allegedly como fund Simbarati kokoli mtu nebia kera the party leader ODM party. Kera arocha bangwa na aba ODM mbagwacha akabatikana lakini okopoko kwae ngola Simbarati. Nkero Simbarati abwate Ruto aganeti Raila aganeti lakini dembaro ke se video lakini tara akora boigo nyenali tangane kora chi video cha anati mukwa times irachinga kichago subscribe nenende to kurachinga ke chiko inform ngana chakire company ko kunga mukwa times productions asonye kubata matanga utete kwenda live abantu babwate matanga bali kurusiko events yake isko ya Kenya gusukusi na buko nangeli njine chi camera na ndo bane to bwate live. Secondly onye kubata nene nyangi kwa ndive recorded igasineri badongo kora igas moroche video play yugabu ninje na bwate tamatanga ya munarangiritu yiko moroche nga nega singia bya muno sana ngakire simi koraga ne bukonyo buno bono tigambaro kiningi yeko kera Simbarati anchire ne viongozi yandike tanga ni Nairobi amanda mana lingi Nairobi very successful araida Simbarati unyabangitu kurugusia ayane kuru China igoko kiri Nairobi William Ruto nakandi Simbarati naga ni Simbarati egia kabere siasa Nairobi Simbarati nanyi maete bya kabisa akabwa obujumbe kabere aba gusimbali bange da ureti note una bayikoyo neji kabere chinde aki Simbarati akora ki akabwa iko na understand the siasa ya Nairobi Ruto tabu ati bakale bangoro aki naga ntinjire ndika konyora chikura kurwalia Nairobi ibiru wao abo senator obo jumbe obo governor obo women rep GMCA mpaka niti Nairobi bono Simbarati enere gasi ya ko fix mugwe tebeka kabatebanga ndigire Nairobi ndigire na Nyanza na Mombasa akeyo abuna saba kusibale abagere abaluja akaname tena siasa konyara ire kientangani ekiakabireneka mobilization Simbarati este Nakuru aka mobilize single-handedly aka paint Nakuru ngi my orange akunchukana na t-shirt uche of course shiba sicha kote gas lakini era kote mobilization ata konyi nonde bwenzi ODM paka ke grovis ODM agari London koro kikieke Simbarati na maite mobilization William Ruto atabwa jondora mukolere funa Simbarati aranyare na kiruta mukaneriti ekere unabona basi tekusiya moja na mobilize stadium gaichora name tuna ko nyole vijana iko Simbarati avero to basically for mobilization. Number 3 popularity nero Simbarati abwate tigana gusia ndu maite matiangi ukuranire nere popularity nero abwate uchisiko muno yarenge kera arenge bia na matiangi na Raila but bono nekete gusi lakini isiko bado asabagere nero na keiga baruya lakini buna as William Ruto tutam baruya nere nsake lakini popularity nero abwate no embogere ekomukonya yageranga Simbarati yorokana no muntu uri chinguru kisiasa acha Ruto na bagokonya endo kende ground work other than mobilization intombiro ground work biko kanu byakorekana Simbarati na bijete sana kisiasa ndituko biko na gara kimo bimaite endo kyo mo motivation ya Luonyanza Simbarati kurugusio mugusi acha kurugusia cha ko di campaign matiang agenda chu campaign William Ruto na baba kere bako motivated bako Simbarati ebono kai heitwa kore matiang that motivation nera andu bako kani nera William Ruto kaniti ku 2027 na bibi byakoreta si akoro arocha se Simbarati byamno sana tumira next 2027 byamno sana so kuche video yani tumira next time family dangu kumukwa irachinga kichino subscribe.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.